you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows into the flight league. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not even say this. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves, but still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toe, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give it wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a 10, yeah. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Ayy, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we look at the dread, my nigga, we ran, she all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming the lines until I'm goated, I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I just got a bag, she wanna I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that doge, just what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, it's showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. What you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the coupe got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Grip that to the man with the bands on me and a passport with the stamps on it. Flex up. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a 10, yeah. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up, hey, flex up.
Sticks and stones may break my bones, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no. I know it's hard to be polite, and it's easy being petty. My mama used to tell me, gotta use you when he ready. Man, it's crazy how my brother said it could've been my cell. It's either prison or a grave, that's what everybody tell me. Man, life ain't a beach, it's a female dog. I'm staying 10 toes down, though I still might fall. Oh yeah, now I done came through, knocking pictures off your wall. Cause loving people who persecute you, it's still a tough be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say, sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No,
Alright, what's going on YouTube? Everyone doing? Well, let's take a look at gold here. We've got a swing high. And gold is looking like she wants that swing high. Got the daily support here. Support here. Support. Swing low of this range. And this is previous daily candle low. The 4 hour here. 4 hour, we've got this demand here. I got this 4 hour down here. We got the 1 hour. One hour has this demand and a 1 hour. And we have this demand here. Got the 1 hour demand here. Minute demand. Okay, we got 15 minute minus support. We just call it London low. And Asia session high. Minute demand. All right. So now we wait for NY session to open. It opens in 15 minutes. However, we do have news today. So we'll see if we can catch it set up before the news. In the next pretty much 1 hour, see if we can catch a trade. Good morning, Cantona. How you doing, Steven? Morning, LSG. Yep, it is Friday, Steven. Hey Gabriel, how you doing? What do I think about gold today? I mean, it's looking more like buys, but during London session we took sales actually, and we're still in. Stop loss is pretty much above this week. We took it at this candle. So right now it's looking more like buys, but we'll see, because we've not actually closed above this range just yet. So we'll see what happens. So for this session, we definitely need a break above or below this range before we can even start talking about looking for a position. Yeah, Steven, when we took the trade, I was expecting it to drop. Like I said, we took it at this bearish engulfing candle. Then it went straight back up. Yeah, London session, we were anticipating at least only 1 hour gap fill. And of course, on the 15-minute, we'll be looking at this right here. The sales there was going to be short-term sales, because we're not breaking lows. Of course, we're still breaking highs. So New York session opens in 8 minutes. We got 6 more minutes to New York opens here. You see liquidity on lower time frame on the lows, but it could be breaking new daily highs. I hope it does both. 2 more minutes, guys. And we will see what gold is trying to do here. What am I using out for on gold? What do you mean? Good morning. What do you mean, Ekene? Oh, yeah, it's about to open. I'll be right back, guys. Oh, never mind. Oh. Oh. What am I looking out for? Well, if we close above this Asian high, then I'll be looking for buys. Buys is too risky for you? Man, not anymore. If we close above. Good morning, Edson.
Man, someone said buys is too risky. That's crazy talk. At what point have the sellers done anything to show you that, they're in control? Just looking at the chart, you just see non-stop buying. High created, consolidates, pushes again. Consolidates, pushes again. The hour is too extended for me. Okay, fair enough. But in these situations, it's so close to the all-time high, it's probably gonna fucking make a run for it. Yeah, I agree, Kine.
Shopping with your parents can be embarrassing.
Why would they sell jeans with holes in them? I'm going to speak to the manager.
Mom!
That hoodie is giving. You should get it. YOLO.
Thanks to the Chase mobile app, your kid can shop independently while you keep an eye on their spending. So you can go from
We can be twinsies.
to
How was shopping? Saw you stayed on budget.
Thanks, Mom.
freedom for kids, control for parents. That's family banking from Chase.
Account subject to approval. Chase mobile app is available for
for select mobile devices. Message and data rates may apply. JP Morgan Chase Bank.
Because we're close to all-time highs. And if this thing closes above, I'm looking for buys until it breaks a low.
Flash news soon, so that could break the high. Yeah, there's still news. So who knows? Who knows what it wants to do right now?
You're not in buys or sells, both to you is risky. Yep, it popped.
Oh, yep. Damn, sorry for the guys who did not survive.
It is what it is. There's still a lot of trades to come.
And like Lucian said, that candle that broke the high and closed bearish with the crazy wick, it's not trustworthy. Those candles, man, they get filled. I think that's like Lucian's favorite candle, where it's like you do the opposite of that candle because it's like it's a bullshit candle.
Yeah, plus it think it's not a strong closure. You took the breakout quiver? Okay.
I think he'll get paid.
Oh yeah, he should.
I wish I was still in my buys.
It would have stopped you out. Didn't you take it over here?
Yeah. But if I don't use trailing stop, like I use structural stop, so stop under the lows, it'll never stop.
Mm. And 5 more minutes for this candle to close. Yep, Nicholas, same here. Same here. I was going to take these buys yesterday, and because of that Trump news and shit, I was like, you know what? Forget it.
Man, you know it's gonna smash TP.
Yeah.
Man, the higher time frame setups, 3 for 3.
Yep, would have been 3 for 3. You too, Nemesis, alright. I wonder if any futures pro firm lets you hold your trade overnight.
That'd be nice.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think they will. I think it's like $25,000 to hold just one contract of gold overnight.
That's probably why.
Been in buy since 2742.
2742. Damn.
Oh wow. God damn. What a
Whoa.
low entry.
Sheesh. Yeah, imagine the first buys with now. Oh, that one was stopped out. But the second buys wasn't. That second buy, imagine if you left it. And that second buy on the 4-hour was the first. I remember where the second buy was. Huh. I can't remember where the second buy was. Check on this. Can't remember where it was. I think it was somewhere here.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
Because this
somewhere
was
here.
your second trade. So the first one was like down here somewhere. Or maybe, no, it's probably over here. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. I'm going to delete this now. And I'm going to mark this 15-minute demand here. Now that we've broken above, maybe hopefully good will be kind and pull back here.
And I hope the news or something brings it back down so we can buy it.
Oh yeah. I wanted to start coming down now before the news. Gold could be stripping 2782 or 2786. Man, if gold rejects anywhere here, it's just going to pull back and continue. I don't see it breaking these lows at 2770. So at this point, I'm gonna just sit back and just wait for the buys. Gold had its chance to sell. We're heading straight for the high, for this freaking daily swing high. Do I take entries at breakout like now? No, I don't. Now that we broke out, I wait for price to pull back to a demand level, and then I'll look for my buys, and pretty much the same thing. If we break in lows, look for a supply, and then wait for price to tap the supply and take the sales. The current 30-minute candle hasn't closed yet, so I can't use the 30-minute candle. The 30-minute demand right now, so gotta work with this 15-minute demand for now until this 30-minute candle closes. Anyone in longs on NASDAQ? Oh, NASDAQ must be pushing up.
Yeah, still pushing.
You're welcome, Wesley. If you want to compound your account, like I've been saying, maybe since last week or 2 weeks, I'm not sure. The challenge we're starting on Monday. We will be swing trading on that challenge account, and all you need is just $500. Right? So if you wanna join us in that challenge, then just use the link in the description and you join us starting from Monday. We're not going to be day trading on that challenge account. We're going to be taking swing trades. So that means since it's going to be swing trades, maybe 1 to 2 trades a week. 2 is really pushing it, but at least 1. So most weeks is just going to be 1 trade a week. Some weeks we might get 2. It depends. But I don't see us getting more than 2 trades a week, because we'll be taking them on a 4-hour time frame.
Man, I just saw something depressing.
What?
Edwin, he took an L. He just posted an L. So that's why he wasn't with us for London. He already took a trade.
Though in Asia?
I think that's pre-London.
Oh.
He took a sell where I took a buy.
Oh, at the lows?
Yeah. He took the break of the low there.
My break 2800. And 2800 is still all the way up there. Had a break 2790 first. Once gold breaks this daily swing high, then day trading gold becomes more easier, because now you don't have all these time frames contradicting one another. All time frames is bullish, and the same thing goes with all pairs. Right? When all pairs on each time frames, when all the time frames are pretty much doing the same thing, is way much easier to trade. But when you have a bullish structure on a higher time frame and you have a bearish structure on a higher time frame, it becomes a little bit difficult if you're not experienced. That's where understanding the higher time frame structure and the lower time frame structure and the lower time frame momentum comes in.
Your favorite movies are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases. Get Paramount Plus, Stars, MGM Plus, and more. Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
There's 6 more minutes on this candle here. So the challenge account, guys, the risk percentage is going to be based on the account balance. Okay. That way, if we do it that way, as long as the count is growing, the lot size will be increasing also.
More money, more better.
I want to like pretty much take a sell on the 4-hour here. If the 4-hour does not break this low, there's no point looking for freaking sells, and it's gonna have to close below here. Anything above it is freaking just sit back, relax, chill, let it come back to a demand. Another thing I'm going to combine with it is when we start on Monday, is we're going to add the 1-hour demand and supplies too. Because sometimes the 4-hour will just weak the 4-hour demand, its own demand, and reject like the 1-hour demand, just like yesterday, the buys. We go to the 4-hour here. Wait a minute. Does it look different? Or is it okay? Right here. Let me delete this demand for now. We got this 4-hour demand. We did not close below it. However, we wicked it. Now, if we go to the 1-hour, where's that? Where is it? That's the demand that I just drew. Okay, that's it right there. Put this one. Bam. So it was a 1-hour demand that actually held. However, we can also say it's the 4-hour also because it did not close below. So when I saw that yesterday, I'm like, man, I'm gonna buy this. But the man, Trump scared me.
Honestly, it looks way better on the futures chart.
On the 4-hour on futures?
No, 1 hour.
Oh, 1 hour.
I never look at the 4-hour. But if you look at the 1 hour futures chart, it's just picture perfect.
Let me see. 1 hour. Oh yeah. Yep. You're definitely right. Okay, so the 30-minute close. Oh no. Oh, not yet. About to close in 30 seconds. It should close above, so we're gonna go ahead and use it. Okay. Price action is better on futures. Trump says wide things. Yeah, he does.
Yes, I do trust and like to look at the futures chart much more. If I was paying attention to it back when it crashed down aggressively because of the Trump victory of the election, yeah, I would have seen that futures tap that daily demand and I would have fucking bought gold, swing traded that shit.
Do it all with
But
free listening,
Forex, it
On your
tapped
personal,
nothing, it
right?
tapped the gap. Yeah, unpersonal. And I would just held it for 3,000. Do what Terry said, you know?
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna do the swing on futures too, but of course not on freaking top step.
Yeah.
But I want to start using TradeStation. Need to finish my application with them. Because that TradeStation has futures and options.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want to use it to pretty much understand options.
Man, if you ever, master options, teach me because that shit sounds complicated.
I'm going to.
It's like call, put, beta, gamma. It's like, what the fuck's going on? What? Beta, gamma, what? Delta? It's like, holy shit. So the demand zone is the area of the candle from where the market pushed to the top. And if it's a key level, it is more trusted. I'm new to these things. Abe will explain that every day.
Okay, so we're gonna. This is going to be the easiest way for you to understand. Now, picture this move to the upside. All right. Now, if we're going in an uptrend, this is how price moves. Now, every low is a possible demand zone. And all this low, you will have your strong demand, high probability demand zones and your low probability demand zones. Now, once you understand that, then all you need to focus on the chart is where you have the aggressive push to the upside, just like we have here, okay? And down here is a 30-minute if we go to the 30-minute time frame, which is right here. And when you want to draw the demand, you have to start from the candle, right? The candle that broke the previous candle. How do I explain that? No, that doesn't sound right. So, for example, you have this candle here, pretty much closed doji. That is where you're going to start from because this candle right here is was the aggressive push, and you have to make sure that the candle, the body of this candle has to close above the previous candle. Therefore, you will have a gap signifying the aggressive buying to the upside. This right here is called gaps. Okay, so price can now possibly come down to pretty much fill this gap. Therefore, we're testing this demand for us to potentially take buys to the upside. It's pretty much that simple. The same thing if we break in lows. So yeah, let me see. In ICT world, this is called it F what again? FVG? Yeah. FVG, that's what they call it in ICT's world. In supply and demand world, we call it gaps. Oh, don't they also call it imbalance?
Actually, the way I learned it when I was trading, futures is that they call it single print, a single printed candle. So there's no overlapping candle.
So many different names. Oh yeah, choke or coach or whatever they call it, change of character. It's just simplifying the breakup structure. That's it. It actually does make sense. So out of all the names that ICT has, I actually like the change of character.
I don't like it. I hate that name, chalk. It's like, ugh.
Yeah,
What is
but
that?
when but when you pronounce it, then it actually it actually just makes sense. Because let's say, for example, here when we were falling from this high, when we were falling, the moment it broke this high right here, that is the change of character, because you do not want to use this high right here, because if it breaks this high, even though this is a BOS, it's nothing but a minor BOS in this range. That's why knowing your range is also important. So in the 15-minute range, you have your high at 27.63 and your low at 27.35. So if it breaks the high of 27.54, we could still hold here or hold here. Now, if it breaks the major high that pretty much created the low in the range, then you have your change of character right there. So, as you can see, even before it breaks, before it broke, we tried to come down. We tried falling, but of course the buyers were still in. The bullish momentum was strong. You understand better now? Nice. And that change of character thing, for me personally, I feel like you can only use it if price is going the other way. Just like the example I gave.
Your favorite TV shows are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases. Get Paramount Plus, Stars, MGM Plus, and more. Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
Mm. Wish that girl came back to freaking Quavo's entry and flipped.
Shit. I do not want to. Oh, fuck.
Hmm?
If it closes bullish engulfing, then it's probably not going to come back.
Yeah, and then we might have to wait until after the news. It was looking good though earlier.
I was like, oh, okay, it's going to make it easy.
Yeah. we might instead of starting on Monday, we might actually start the challenge on Sunday because might get a swing trade. Oh, not Sunday.
The nice thing.
Monday during our Asian session. Even though we're not going to be doing it together, I'll still be, watching for potential swing trade during Asia session.
Okay. The nice thing about those higher time frame trade setups is that I believe that they do have higher success rate because they have less opportunities.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Less shenanigans.
Yeah. Day trading is honestly pretty much for full-time traders.
Yeah. And the big money, they really don't give a shit about day trading. That's not where they make their money. It's like the big boys, they're like buying thousands of lots of gold and holding it for months at a time.
Yeah, because, and they have the capital also to do that.
Yeah. That reminds me, that day when the dude bought like 250 lots at the lows and it consolidated there for an hour, he might have loaded up like 1,000 lots after an hour's over, and you need $25,000 to hold one contract of gold overnight, and he's got like 1,000 lots. Like, fuck. He's got to have a pretty big ass bank account.
Yep. For the Monday challenge, what is the price? It's pretty much still the mentorship. We're just, doing the challenge. So it's the same price. There is no extra fees or anything.
Man, that person who said, is anyone in long Nas? I hope he wasn't in long Nas because, yeah, it's coming. It's coming back down to the support.
Yeah. And Discord, I think I'm going to stop using Discord because of all this freaking scammers trying to scam people. But what this freaking dude wrote, trying to tell him to where is it? Right here. You guys see it?
No. Is it? Maybe it's on YouTube. You can see it.
Yeah, it's on YouTube. Let me. Okay, you guys will see it now.
Yep.
Up with me to the T. Name everything, the freaking plant, everything.
That's Discord?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
This is the first message. Once he follows this instruction, then the scamming will start.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I don't want to use Discord or Telegram.
I'm not gonna lie, that's a good way to start. Looks more professional than, hey bro, donate BTC to me.
Yep. You're welcome, Lux. I hope I pronounced your name right.
Oh, Julie asked, what does risking only 1% mean? Does that mean if you have $100, you just risk $1? I can never understand that because it doesn't seem possible to only risk $1.
I mean, if you have $100 account, I mean, it does not make sense to risk 1%, to be honest.
The thing with like when they say risk 1%, it's because most traders lose money. If you risk 1%, you have 100 trades attempts to, survive. You need to stay in the game long enough to get good. And most people, they will over leverage, and it's like just a few trades, they're blown up, and oh, my trading career is over. So obviously, if you're not rich and you only have literally $100 to spare, then yeah, realistically, you should risk like 1-2%, and then obviously you get good, then you risk more.
Yeah. And the $500 challenge, the risk on that is gonna be between 10 and 20. Because risking 1% or $500, that's there's no point of doing the challenge if you just want to risk 1% or 500. That's
And
why.
risking 10%.
Oh,
Go ahead.
that's why if you have a small account, you going to have to risk higher. But if you have a big account size, yeah, you can risk 3, 2, 4, 5%. So you can even risk 1% if you want. But small account is just too small for you to risk 1%.
And with the $500 challenge, risking 10%, you might think it's high, but it's actually not that bad because you're not really the one who's taking the trades. This is Abe's trades. He's well experienced, so you can risk more, let's say, like 5%. But since this is the swing trade where we're only going to be taking like one trade a week, maybe two, so you can up it again because the amount of trades is going to be very little compared to taking 1 to 2 trades every single day.
What broker do I use? I'm assuming Forex, Osprey FX. Trading platform is Trade Locker. You're welcome.
Oh, you're right, Max. You're spot on. That's true.
Oh, yeah. You're right, Max. Yeah.
you're watching YouTube. But did you know there's a YouTube Music app where you can listen to rare covers of your favorite artists? Duh. Get YouTube Music Premium.
It was difficult switching from MT5 to Trade Locker, but now you love it. Yeah, people always need to keep an open mind because some people, they get used to something and then they think it's good, but it's just, they're just used to it. And then they're just not open-minded to learn that new thing. But then when they actually do, they're like, oh shit, it's actually better. AMP futures, yeah, apparently they're good.
Yeah, I heard of
Wix is trading.
I heard of them too. I heard they're good. But is it a futures broker or prop firm?
It's a broker. They have MT5 for futures? Oh, that's really weird.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
It was the main criteria for him. Damn, that's weird. MT5 is such a archaic platform.
Man, I mean, not when it comes to futures. It's the worst trading platform. C-Trader is way better.
Yeah, at least like C-Trader or something.
It's crazy
but
how...
At least you guys know.
It's crazy how meta codes pretty much gained more popularity compared to C-Trader.
Yeah. I don't know why. I mean, just if I were to load it up right now, side by side, I'd straight away be like, C-Trader is way better.
Yeah.
Paramount Plus, Max, and more on YouTube.
But at least you guys know Wix is like trade. Well, actually, I don't know, but you would think that Wix is like legitimately trading since he's using AMP futures, but I don't think he's ever shows that other than his trading view chart.
Yep, is this the pullback we want?
Man, we got like 30 minutes for news, right? Oh, 45 minutes. Outcast says he's back in Canada.
Oh, nice. Okay, nice. How many hours a day did I study Forex when I started, and how did I learn it? Man, morning, afternoon,
Find your
night.
favorite movies on YouTube. Get AMC Plus,
Morning,
Paramount Plus,
afternoon,
apps,
night,
and more
non-stop.
on YouTube.
I didn't have I didn't have like a fixed schedule, like, you know what, okay, I'm gonna study this time, I'm gonna do this time. Nah. I pretty much learning it was a priority for me. The phone app makes MT4 better. Oh. I mean, C-Trader, don't they have a phone app?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
way good. Super nice.
FML was changing lots. Who is FML?
FML was... Oh, fuck my life.
What? Who's that?
Fuck my life? No, fuck my life. Like, he's like, oh my god, I was changing lots, ended up adding
Oh,
positions.
due to work, please hoping she calms down and continues to calm down hard. Oh.
Oh man, he tried to sniper sell it. Trying to sell against the momentum.
Mm.
I'm not sure, but I assume every successful trader, if you ask them like how many hours a day did you study, it's like, bro, complete obsession. Relentless obsession until we succeeded. Yo, the beat says non-stop.
One thing you guys need to understand is, and this is not just trading related, you have to understand the power of consistency. Consistency. The more you do this, you're just gonna keep getting better each day. You might not notice it, but after some time you will notice it. And I like to use going to the gym as an example whenever I talk about stuff like this. Like, when you go to the gym, you're not gonna see results on the first day. It's gonna take time. Trading is the same way. Oh, and before I forget, also when you're trading, you have to pay attention to the setups you're taking. And if you do not pay attention, make sure you go back and look whether it's a win or a loss. Okay? The reason why you want to do that is for you to know the setups that work the most and the ones that don't work the most. You need to know stuff like that too.
Also, one thing to note is that some people will put countless hours into trading and they will not succeed. Not everyone will succeed. Just like I could spend 1,000,000 hours trading to be the greatest runner and Usain Bolt will lap me every fucking day. Sometimes it's just not for you.
No, I feel like because if somebody puts in countless hours of learning how to trade, eventually they will get it. It might take them longer. And if they don't get it, it's not the trading part that they didn't get. They just struggle with their psychology.
Which is a key part of trading.
Yep. That's what they struggle with. For whatever reason, they just can't freaking improve. Excuse me. They just can't improve their trading psychology. That's why the other day, when it comes to psychology, you can't do it on your own. It's not possible for you to do it on your own. You need help. You need help, and the help you need is from the man above. Because you're going against your human nature, who you are naturally. And trading is going to let you know. So you are going to need him to help you to pretty much go against who you are naturally. Like there are some people, they're not disciplined. They just not. I mean, that's just who they are. And when they start trading, it's going to show. Trading is going to let them know, my guy, you're not disciplined. So what are you going to do? That's who you are. So in order for you to get rid of that, you need him to fix it for you.
You only lose when you give up in trading. Nah, you only lose when you give up or your account gets blown.
Good morning, Gideon.
Shows on YouTube. Get Paramount Plus, Stars, MGM Plus.
Hey,
and
Gideon.
more on YouTube.
Edwin's not here. Did you steal Edwin from us, Gideon? He's not with you? Check the waivers? Yeah, he's probably with the waivers now.
Maybe.
Damn, Gilliby called him a strategy whore. Discipline is key, yes. Discipline is key in everything. But guess what? There's too many losers out there. That's why you don't have many winners. There's only one gold medalist. Not everyone's gonna get that gold medal.
There's a demand on the 5 minutes to take a buy here, or wait for lower demand zones for buyers. Yeah, I don't use 5-minute demand or supply zones. I use 15 minutes and above. Right, fill my stop loss. Yeah, pretty much. So basically, when we take a position, it's just a one-to-one trade. But what we do is once we get to the 50% mark, so I have. You know what? Let me just send it instead of me talking about it. Oh.
Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
Let me just send it. I don't know if King Abe is on YouTube right now. Yeah, so the unfiltered version, that's exactly what we do right there. But when we swing trade, it's gonna be different. That right there is just for day trading. You're welcome. And when you have two positions running, what I would advise you to do is, let's say you want to risk 5%. And for that 5%, let's say that means, depending on what your stop loss is, let's say your lot size is 2 standard based on the 5% risk. That means your two position, you got to split it into 2, 1 and 1, because you don't want to do 2 and then 2. That means you will be risking more than 5%. You don't want to do that. So you just want to focus on this and split it into 2. Yeah, at this point, I think I'm going to wait for the news. So we're going to wait for the news, and that's in 35 minutes, I believe. Yeah, 35 minutes. And then we'll see what happens after that. So what? Please take it away from me. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys.
All right. Do you recommend $100 personal account or 5K funded account? Which one costs more? Which one costs less? Go with whichever costs less. Because expect to blow your account. Expect that you will blow the funded account. Expect that you will lose your $100. multiple times. I do think that, if you've never traded before, definitely demo it, just learn, get used to how to, trade. It's like, okay, click, move positions, mark up your chart and blah, 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 get used to it. But then you really got to actually trade.
Find your favorite TV shows on YouTube. Get Max, Stars, MGM Plus, and more on YouTube.
Because once you really trade, you're gonna see that it's completely different to the bullshit people who just post up trading view screenshots where it's like, look at this massive trade where I bought the low, TP'd at the high, perfect, and they show you the after results of the trading view screenshot, but they never actually show you the real brokerage trade being taken or anything. Why is that? Probably because they never actually took it. Exactly, Gideon. When you're a demo god, you're just elementary for live trading. Where are we expecting it to come down to? We're expecting it to come down to any of these highlighted demand zones. Either does this or does this. What would be highly unusual is if it actually just took out the lows. In which case, you might have to start considering that it's going to continue to sell off. But I don't see that happening. But hey, there is news, so news could change things, but doubt it.
Your favorite movies are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases. Get AMC Plus, Paramount Plus, Max, and more. Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
Man, when I first started trading, I was trading stocks, and what they don't tell you about trading is like, shit, sometimes you can't sleep, man. Because I'm like in a trade, I've got $50,000 on the line, and I'm fucking like, dude, I'm in drawdown. This thing's coming down. What the fuck? And I don't even know really what the fuck I'm doing. It's like I just started trading, and it's like, man, what the hell? Can't sleep. It's like, should I have bought this stock? Oh, maybe I need to question myself. Is this, should I just cut my loss, or what's going on and all this crap? They don't tell you about that in trading. Times shit, man. Hopefully, it just comes down a little bit more. It's getting so close to news.
Watch the most live NFL games all season long on a variety
You're
of
not
networks
touching
and
until
on
after news. Yeah.
Terms and embargoes apply. Cancel
The problem with news is if you're in a position, you could get wicked out by the volatility of the news, only for it to go your way. Yeah. Man, Zoom is so quiet today.
And I hope Edwin's okay. I saw him in the Discord.
Yeah, he took an L.
Yeah. Didn't we all, my friend?
No, we didn't.
Yeah. TikTok, yeah. It actually gave like 20, almost 25 pips, but it is what it is.
Yeah. But you can't see what I was saying. It's like, that is, that's a demand. And you can see rejection creates like a flat line support right there. And then, you got higher time frames all bullish, everything's bullish, so you gotta favor the buyers until the sellers step up to the plate.
Man, at this point, we're just gonna wait for the news, guys.
Yeah, the usual suspects are quiet today. This is ideal if it comes back to the bottom one because it's like, well, you know, your stops below the point of, you know, no return. So it's a perfect spot to take your buys from.
It'd be better if we come down to this low here.
This sell is aggressive. Yeah, it's fucking aggressive.
On the YouTube Music app, you can hear your fave songs in the background while you clean up all that mess in the foreground. Try 1 month free.
Honestly, I really don't think this news is gonna do anything, but we'll see. Oh, they said because of London session, it's calling it a day. Oh, okay. I would prefer it better if we can come down to the lows to this 30-minute demand here. Only the next 15-minute candle before the news will be bearish, rejecting this demand here.
Edwin is okay, he said, because of London session, he's calling it a day. Oh, okay. Man, Gideon's got a direct line to Edwin.
Surprise, surprise, surprise.
Oh, and also, you know, it's like, you gotta take into consideration, you know, it's like, oh man, look at how aggressive it's dumping, but did it go up more or did it go down more, right? So this is always where like buyers get scared. Where they're like, oh my god, shit, it's coming down, but the true buyers who really want gold, they're gonna be like, oh, look at it, it's coming back down. Perfect, thank you very much.
There's nothing that can't be explained.
This is a role you were born to play. Get AMC Plus, Paramount Plus.
But don't worry, it's a natural feeling.
Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
it's like you think to yourself, like, I want to buy gold. And it starts coming down. So, oh shit, do I want to buy gold? Why is it coming down? It's a weird thing.
Candle closes in 2 minutes. And then we're gonna have 15 minutes for the news.
Yep, some buyers will say, screw it, I'm taking this. Those are going to be the true buyers, the ones who are actually moving the market. Because they will have zero fear. Because they're going to be like, well, I want gold, I need gold, it is going higher. If it comes back, that's just another opportunity for me to load up. While retail traders, you know, they don't really have that kind of thought process.
Yeah, I would like to see gold actually come down to this lower demand, since this strong demand here did not hold. Should come down to the next strong one at least, which is this lows, because this is the low that created this high. Even though it could also reject this one too, but should come down to the lower one. Alright, this is the last 15-minute candle before the news.
I'm just hoping it doesn't do some shenanigans where the news comes out and fucking blasts us up.
Listen to rare covers of your favorite artists on the YouTube Music app.
Oh, and I bet you guys any money, you guys, like, most of you guys, like, out there, you were probably thinking to yourself, man, I'm looking for buy setups now. It broke the highs. And as soon as it came down like this, you probably started questioning yourself, and you're probably scared to take a buy right here.
See how this candle closes, and we'll see what the news does.
Find your favorite TV shows on YouTube. Get Paramount Plus, Stars, MGM Plus, and more on YouTube.
Hey Janice, how you doing? Hmm.
And with all these news now, you cannot trade anymore in New York session. Every 2 days you have big news that mess with your trades.
I am in buys, not going to let this news scare me. God damn. Okay.
News is not meant to scare you. News is there to take your stop loss.
Yeah, I agree. Using very low lot size. All right, all right. You must have enough money to trade news. Yeah. Spreads are gonna fucking get crazy. You could get stopped out without price even touching your fucking stop loss.
Oh, Nicholas is in the buys already.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Your favorite movies are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases.
Yeah, sometimes I think life is harder.
There's nothing that can't be explained.
This is a role you were born to play.
Get AMC Plus, Paramount Plus, Max, and more. Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
Hopefully news does not damage our possible setup here. So we got pretty much 5 more minutes.
Man, Nicholas is eaten already because he has zero fear. Man. 4 more minutes before news.
I am trying to protect the Imperium.
For providing them the one thing they interact with every day.
I haven't seen anyone in the longest time.
You're not trying to help me, Doctor. You're worried I may become sane.
Get Max, Stars, MGM Plus, and more. Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
I would like to see this candle pretty much close below 2778.36. See what this news does. What's gonna happen with this news? PFA, where's PFA?
Slacking. He's slacking.
PFA, where are you?
I was hoping this candle wouldn't be so freaking big.
Yeah, me too. It would be nice to get another bearish candle come down to this demand and we Start pushing up.
That'd be beautiful.
Thirty more seconds.
Your favorite TV
Yeah,
shows
cause
are on
man,
YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases.
the only thing we can do now is to anticipate the top week now. Suppose it's just, I mean, a bottom week. Shit, suppose it's just going to be bigger. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it yet.
It's got a gap on my broker. What about you?
Futures?
No, on my broker, Forex broker. Gap straight up.
Still, no. No, I don't have a gap.
Okay.
Man, Nicholas is eating. He just kept going in there. No bottom wick. Wow.
Oh, news. Fuck news.
Look at futures. This candle did not close like this on futures. You see? You got a long
No, it looks
top
like
wick.
that.
You got a long top wick on this candle.
Is that MGC?
Yeah, I'm looking at MGC.
Okay. It looks like this on GC.
Oh.
But it looks like a long top wick on my broker. And there is a gap there, even on GC futures. It's like nothing traded.
Oh yeah, you're right. Looks like this on GC.
I expect it to come back down and fill that gap.
Yeah, come back down and create a bottom wick.
Your favorite TV shows are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases. Get Paramount Plus, Stars, MGM Plus, and more. Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
Come on. Fucking do it. Beautiful. Alright, I'm out. Fucking. Ah, yeah.
MGC already flipped. So if this thing eventually flips again, let me see. Can I get this ready? No choice. Ooh. That is a 90 pip stop loss. We're not in yet. Still not expecting this to break the lows.
Your favorite TV shows are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases. Get Paramount Plus, Stars, MGM Plus, and more. Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
Wait, home sales in 7 minutes?
Oh, yeah.
It's orange for there.
30 minutes for news and hourly candle.
Got 2 more minutes for this current candle to close. Super quiet. Yeah.
Yeah, getting ready to trade.
Edie, your mic is on.
Futures is already where? It's almost there. We're gonna take it on futures first. What the hell? Why didn't it make a sound? Wait, I'm already in on futures. Have they started again? Oh. I'm in, guys. It's gonna go use the US soon, but futures is almost at 45. Forex is behind. Futures is pretty much close to these highs. This year you are afraid of February. Oh, you didn't hear me when I said I'm getting in on futures? I don't know what happened. I guess I must have turned the sound off. I thought it was on before I took it. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. Well, please take over for me.
Yep. Alright. Let's missed entry, all-time highs. Here we go. That is the plan. How is King Abe doing? He's doing good. What's up, Iron Man Trading? What's the restroom? Man, that's the toilet. Hopefully a huge dump is not incoming. Why even, have such negative thoughts? Should be saying hopefully a huge pump is coming. All-time highs right around the corner. Why is US30 going up while Nvidia is going down? Is Nvidia a part of the US30? I know it's part of NAS, but not sure if it's part of US30. Chat GPT says it's a part of S&P though. Okay. Well, regardless, it's just one company of 30 if it really is in the US 30. Obviously, it's an extremely large component, but still, one of 30. Let's take a look. US 30. Wait, you said US 30 is going up? I mean, not really. I mean, doesn't look like it's going up right now. Looks like it's doing a little pullback. What's the video doing? Man, all the video is doing is a little pullback. Come on. Chat GPT is a hooker. Damn.
Damn. Oh my god. That escalated really quick.
Order filled.
There you go, and it pops.
Well, that's 45 on futures. This thing keeps going. Waiting on Forex. Hey, what's good on you, man? How you been? How does it look like this freaking stop loss is bigger than the freaking TP? Or am I tripping?
Yeah, it does. The stop loss looks really big. What's going on?
I don't know. This is 90, 90. I don't know. I don't know why it looks like stop loss is bigger than the TP. Hey, that's good, I am, man. That's good. All right, there we go. That's 45. Now you got two choices here. You can
got one
use-
choice. Hold it for 3,000, gold 3,000.
So you can either do what I just did. So right now I got just one position running. One of my position has been stopped out, of course, except for freaking Alpha Capital, of course.
I don't know what happened.
Hi.
What happened to my mic?
We can hear you.
Oh shit! Well, I broke it.
Hi. I don't want to hear anything about Alpha anymore. They suck.
That's your opinion, and all entitled to our opinions. I don't share that observation, but I respect it.
God is going to
They suck.
3K.
They suck.
I agree, Iron Man. I agree. Just gonna pull back, continue, pull back, continue, pull back, continue. All the way to 3K. Except if something crazy happens. Why did I not hold my swing trade? I know, right? Twice, too. Twice. Should have held it, killed the bait. You right.
There we go, baby. Another one.
Should
By
have
the dust.
held the swing trade.
We doing the swing trade Monday, right?
Yeah. We start Monday. So when we have a swing trade set up, so we have the opportunity to check it on the challenge account, and hey, you can take it on your personal too if you want. But what I did was I created a new account just only for the swing trades, and of course the challenge account as well.
Okay.
See, I agree with what Iron Man said. You buy every dip and you hold it. You know, don't close it all.
Yeah,
just
he's
trim.
right.
You know, you can take partials.
Yeah, I would just rather do that on a higher time frame. Like even the 1 hour, I would rather do that on a 1 hour or the 4 hour. Just buy the dip and hold, but man, not on a lower time frame. And that's why we'll be swing trading some days. Man, Alpha Capital refused to let me get out. For Alpha Capital to take me out at 45 pips, we pretty much have to break this freaking bullish candle top wick. Yeah, you have been, Iron Man.
Man, I haven't seen Iron Man tradings for like over a year or some shit. Fucking just went MIA after he chatted with us.
Yeah, you're actually right. Yeah, it's been like a year. Come on, man. Let me keep quiet.
Man, Iron Man, did you hear about Donvo and his Pam account? How he got millions of dollars of his subscribers and he fucking liquidated the shit out of them?
Damn, Wall. Gee, I just came back. I just got a cup of coffee and fuck.
I'm just saying, I like chatting with Iron Man about Don.
Oh man.
Don't get Iron Man started. Or else we'll be here all day.
24-hour stream.
All weekend we'll be here. It's more like 72 hours too.
Oh, that's a question I had. So on the swing trade, do you hold them over the weekend too?
You hold it until it hits TP.
Yeah, hold it until it hits
all
TP.
the way to TP. Okay.
Like this one yesterday that we could have taken if not for news. Look at that, it's almost at final TP.
Yeah. He did what his mentor did, Uncle Ted, and they're holding hands on the beach now.
I told you not to get Iron Man started.
Man, he's saying exactly the same stuff I was saying. I was like, man, Don's disappeared. He's not saying shit. He's probably at the fucking Bahamas sipping pina coladas.
What's the target out for this swing? It's going to be between 2 to 3. That's it. Because what I want to do with that is trade from zones to zones. So for example, let's say so these buys that we wanted to take, if this from this entry to where this resistance is at 27.63, if it's at least a 1 to 2, it's going to be the same concept as what we do now, day trading. The only difference is that we're aiming for higher pip range, okay? So we have 2 positions, and once we get 1 to 2, 1 to 5, that's when we are going to close one position. You have your TP there, all right? 2 positions, risking on the challenge 10 or 20%. And then once we get to 1 to 2, 1 to 5, one position will be taken out. Then you move your stop loss to break even and let it run to final TP. So like right here, you have this zone here. The next zone is using the daily resistance, and that's it. From zones to zones, from the next resistance to the next one. From the previous resistance to the next one. So it could be a 4-hour resistance here as well, or the daily. That's gonna be our final target. Since we only taking 2 positions, then if we're taking 3 positions, then of course, say next zone.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought also like between 1 and 2 the moon.
Huh?
I thought also between 1 and 2 the moon.
Oh.
Wix 9 rug pull will be soon. He just needs a bigger following first. Spot on.
I don't know, but
hashtag bomb.
I don't think they're still together though, because Wix is still streaming, right?
Yeah, so they stream at the same time.
Yeah, so I don't think they're still like together.
They was married?
They were at one point.
No, man, I didn't say that.
I got to head out, guys. Have a great weekend. See you Monday.
All right, you too.
Take care.
See you later, brother.
Thanks, Abe. Take care, guys.
You too. Finally got my TP1 on freaking Alpha Capital. And this DX trade platform sucks.
I know what you're gonna say, Iron Man. They're gonna be together soon because they're gonna be in prison together.
That's funny.
Gonna be dropping soap bars together.
You hate DX to a winner? Man, it's a very horrible platform. Horrible. It even Match Trader is better. But both of them is not good anyway. But between DX Trader and Match Trader, I'll go with Match Trader.
Have you ever used Trade Locker?
Oh yeah, that's what I use now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was what I was telling you earlier with Oxbury FX. You can only use Trade Locker with them.
Okay, yeah.
I guarantee you he closed his full position in Kine.
Who?
Pi.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah, same here. I'm his student now.
Man. Let's chat in the stream again. So yeah, of course, Iron Man. Whenever you are available.
I like Iron Man. He keeps it real. He doesn't sugarcoat shit.
Yeah.
And was a nice movie also.
Oh yeah, it's a good movie.
Yeah.
He's a good actor.
Iron Man died too, didn't he?
Oh yeah,
But
yeah.
he's in our hearts and in and in YouTube and in YouTube.
Has anyone heard of total funding? And I've never heard of
Come
that
on.
platform before.
Just don't do it.
Sound like a
Just don't
scam
do it.
company.
No, I think Sandile is capping. He's trolling. Wait, let me see. Is there a platform called total funding? Yep, he's capping. He was trolling.
Okay.
That's what means trolling. I didn't know what. I thought trolling is like a troll from movies, like a big, ugly thing. And they made you search on Google. Shame on you, man.
What's the funded payouts like for this strategy? It's better to do this on a personal. You can use it on personal or a platform account. See, Pi does not even wait for one-to-one, and he keeps getting payouts. So,
I mean, most of the time it doesn't even wait for 50%.
yeah.
And only from this year it's like a 50%. Till now he's like in past with 50 pips, 20 pips, and at the beginning of the strategy, he's just now moving forward for the 50% mark.
You know,
man,
you know, Lamizo, if we one of those traders who only catch 5 pips and call it a win, or 10 pips, then you can ask that question.
Yeah, in the future we will have traders that they will say, I catch the spread, so I'm green today.
Okay, good. If we break this previous candle, then there's a chance we are going to get stopped. You're welcome, Lamiza. As legit as Twitter's domain. What's that?
I'll see you guys Monday, man.
All
Take
right,
it easy.
man.
Thanks.
You
Take
too.
care.
Have a nice weekend.
I think.
All right, bro.
I think Trader's domain is Uncle Ted.
Yeah, was his
yeah.
broker. And Dominion Markets is like Raja, a little bit.
Yeah.
Sounds familiar.
And they all come from Canada, Don, Uncle Ted, and Raja. Well, they all, congregated over there.
Yeah, I don't think Raja is a scammer though.
Yeah, I don't think so, but it is curious that, they're all went over to Canada and they're all kind of doing the same kind of thing.
Do I know one that's available for South African traders? Oh man, I don't. But there's no platform called Tattoo funding though.
No, he said he's not trolling.
I mean, Google does not recognize that name. So
Maybe he said tattoo funding.
Rogers from Pakistan, yeah, I know that. But guess what? Why does he speak English? Because he went over to Canada.
Because he's a spy.
He's a spy.
A Pakistani
He
spy.
lived in Canada.
Yeah, and in Dubai also.
Yep, and then went over to Dubai.
No taxes, no taxes.
If not for news, we could have gotten a better entry from these lows. Freaking news, and we could have got a 1-to-1. But hey, if we stop those out, I'll take the 45 pips. Oh, I'm missing something. Oh, snap. Yeah. Man, I'm stopped out on Alpha Capital again.
That far away.
Mm-hmm.
That's insane.
Same thing during London session.
Man, like, it's really bad. Like, that is horrendous.
I just got stopped out on my broker.
Order filled.
Yep, futures too. Alright, YouTube, I appreciate you all. Have a great weekend. God bless you all. Remember, the $500 challenge, swing trade challenge, will start on Monday. So if you're interested in that, use the membership link in the description. Aside from that, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys again on Monday. Have a great weekend. Peace. Alright, Zoom, I'll see you guys tomorrow for our weekly webinars, those of you that can make it. And if not, I'll see you guys on Monday.
Okay,
thanks, Ed.
Have a nice weekend, guys.
Take care, everybody.
I need to tell you, I need unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I copped that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leaves. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, and in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not even say this. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves, but still doubting themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toes, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, been petro. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give a wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Yeah. Flex up. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a tag, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Okay. Ayy, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we look at the dread, my nigga, we ran, she all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming the lines until I'm goated, I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I just got a bag, she wanna I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that dough, just what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, they showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. What you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the crew got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Grip that to the man with the bands on me, and a passport with the stamps on it. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Next up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back